Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to stop iPhone battery drain problem after upgrading to iOS 18. So the first step is you can force restart your iPhone. All you have to do is quickly press and release the volume up button, and then quickly press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until you see an Apple logo on your screen. If force restarting your iPhone doesn't help you, then all you can do is try and update all of your applications that are installed on your phone, or you can pinpoint to check if any applications is using your battery more than anything else. You can uninstall the app and simply save your battery health. You can also try resetting all of the settings of your iPhone. This won't wipe your data, so you don't have to worry about. You can also try turning off your Bluetooth when you're not using any Bluetooth device, or turning off your Wi-Fi when you're not at home, and delete all the widgets and clean your home screen layout. And by following these steps, you can stop your iPhone battery drain after updating on iOS 18. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.